Okay guys, we've done our little bit of a shift. We were over at Ringaringa beach, did about 3 days over there, and we've come to Horseshoe Bay. This is Seafarer's Cottage. So we decided to mix it up a little bit. We were more on the coast, and I also booked this one because we're basically more in the forest, more in the bush, and we're more here for the birds. So the lady was saying they've had a deer out here feeding on the lawn occasionally, and there's been a few kiwi sort of down in this house here, on the lawn, that house below us, and Kaka turning up as well. So yep, our second part is looking pretty good, hopefully, for our bird-wise kind of gig, which Kaya loves the birds. You can hear a few bellbirds, tuis. So yeah, real nice cottage. This is Seafarer's Cottage. A real nice place to stay. It's only a 2-bedroom, but it's had nice views, as you saw down Horseshoe Bay. This little kitchen, lounge, and 2 bedrooms here. Main bedroom has got a double with a nice view of Horseshoe Bay, and the boys are in this room here. It's actually got a double and a single bed, so very nice place, very nice. Looks well kept. Got a little property out the back here that might get a kiwi maybe coming around, maybe a deer. But yeah, we'll have a bit of a scout around this area. I've got a drive over to one of the beaches, Lee Beach I think it's called, and the lady was telling us about some penguins down here. We'll go and have a look maybe one of the nights. But yeah, nice place. Hopefully we get to see a few birds and maybe even chance a sight of a deer feeding there, maybe early morning. What you reckon, man? But yeah, nice area. Pretty much right in the bush, or the start of the bush. got one of the locals with us. Hey. Boys are on another little bushwalk. A little windy today. It's a bit windy. Someone's left their front door open. Just a little trail. Thought would come and check out. It's meant to be a few birds up in here. It's sort of like how the vegetation used to be here on Stewart Island, so it hasn't been touched by loggers. There's a lot of berries for the wood pigeon. It's a cool thing on Stewart Island. They've got a heap of little walks you can do. Obviously a lot of bird life and stuff. I think there's a few totara and other things. Probably loops. There's a big tree there. Maybe a totara, not too sure. Can hear quite a bit of bird life. I think if the sun was out, probably get a little bit more bird life. Maybe walk through here early morning. Got a few little birds flying around here. Lots of fantails. Couple of wax eyes. Here. Hear quite a lot. A few fantails. Up here, Kaka, look, they're all with the there in that one tree. Okay, gonna go into the Aurora. Just adds on from the little trek. We came out of here, the little track there, and then it just carries on. Is that a wood pigeon?
No, it's an oyster catcher.
Oh.
The whole thing is no tide oyster catcher. There was a Kaka that flew over there.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
I thought it was a hawk. It's a wax size. That was a cool little walk through the bush.